Hello, my name's Gabby and I studied a Bachelor of Applied Management at Otago Polytechnic, majoring in events and sales and marketing. And I'm currently working as a full-time marketing coordinator at Platinum Recruitment. I think I was chosen for the internship purely because of my attitude and my willingness to learn. The role was initially part-time, but they created a full-time position for me because they saw the value that I brought to the team. So businesses within the JobDUN program will often give students the tools and support they need to grow in their career. So they'll often invest in things like career development program, like courses and any sort of one-on-one things that you need. And they'll also give you mentors as well that you can go back to and just have a chat if you're struggling with anything. I feel like coming into the team, I've brought a lot of unique ideas to the table and I've been given the tools and the support to implement these ideas. And that truly makes me feel very valued. A lot of the transferable skills that I learnt at Polytech went really nicely with my role here at Platinum. Things like analysing data and my ability to plan and write goals has really helped me in my career. I really look forward to coming to work every day because I never know what the day is going to be like. We have an awesome team culture that every day everyone works really hard, but it's also a fun environment to be in, and I'm always learning on the job.